Hello, this is going to be a video for how to type in Japanese, and it's for Mac users only. Sorry, I don't have a PC, but I'll show you how to do this for Mac at least. So what this means is that we're going to be able to type in Japanese, but everything else is pretty much going to be in English, and I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. So first, we're going to go over here to the Apple, and we're going to click on that and go down to System Preferences. Click on this, and under Personal, we're going to go to Language and Text, naturally. And this isn't what we're going to change. This is the language that we see and when we go online and such. So, we see in menus and dialogues and stuff like that. So this is not what we're trying to change. So what we're going for is Input Sources. So here I have checked US and US Extended. Don't need US Extended, but I do use it for some of the extra symbols that I do use occasionally, so it comes in handy. So what we're going to do is we're going to go scroll all the way down, not to Japanese because it's not actually there, but kotoeri. So this is what we want. Check on this. And here I have hiragana, katakana, and romaji checked. So the one that we're going to be using more than anything else is hiragana. I have katakana and romaji checked just in case, but I really very rarely only use those. Okay, so we've got that. Now, next we have to make sure that this right here, this little thing, is checked. So when we show the input menu in the menu bar, it's going to show up right here. You'll notice that it's the American flag. That's what I have currently as my language. So that's telling me what language I'm typing in. So if I were to uncheck this, it will disappear. So as you can see, that's what that does. So we're all good. We're got that checked. Okay. So you notice it's still in English. So how do we switch the language? It's a little bit tedious, but we come up here, click on the American flag, and we click on the language that we want. So now it's going to be in Japanese. Okay, so how exactly did that happen? It's very, very simple. I just type in English, and what it does is that it's simply going to convert it automatically to Japanese. Okay, so we're now in hiragana. These are shortcuts, by the way. I rarely use them because I'm just, yeah. So anyway. So you'll notice that there's this little line underneath here that shows up. And right now it's completely in hiragana, but not in kanji. So if I were to push the space bar, it's going to guess which kanji I want to use, if any. Okay. Now I'm going back and forth with the arrows, and if I click down, it's going to give me more options. Say, for example, Nihongo, this is not the kanji I wanted to use. And it has other options for me. So I have to go down with my arrow, and it gives me a lot of different options, really. Oops. This is not what I wanted, but there we go. And then once I'm done, just click enter, and there we go. So here's another example. Kaku, to write, but let's say I wanted to say to draw instead. I'll click down and go into that. Enter, there we go. Oops. So yeah, that's how we can do it. Just play around with it and you'll be able to write in Japanese, no problem. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, and I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.